Hello students, today I am going to discuss about operators in Java. Operators are special symbols that are used to perform calculations. Operators are applied to the variables and constants to form an expression, as for example, x equal to y by 3. In the above expression, x and y are variables, 3 is a constant, equal to and slash are operators. So here the operators are working on operands. Basically, there are three types of operators in Java: arithmetic operators, and the types are unary, binary, ternary; relational operators, and the types are more than, less than or equal to, more than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to; logical operators, and, or, not. The arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used in mathematical expressions in the same way that they are used in algebra. Now we are going to discuss about unary operators. They are applied on single operand. Let us assume that integer variable a holds 10 and variable b holds 20. Then b plus plus gives 21 because plus plus increases the value of operand by 1. Next, minus minus. Here you can see b minus minus gives 19 because it decreases the value of operand by 1. Other unary operators are plus, minus, etc. Now the next one is your binary operators. It deals with two operands. Let us assume that integer variable a holds 10 and variable b holds 20. Then this plus sign will give the answer 30. The minus sign, as you know, will give minus 10. This multiplication sign, that is star sign, will give you the product, that is 200. This division sign will give you the quotient, that is 2. Here this modulus sign gives you the remainder, mind it. So here if you divide 20 by 10, the remainder is 0. Next, we are having ternary operator or conditional operator or question mark colon operator. For this I have made one video. That link you will get in the description. Here what happens, if this expression is true, the control will come over here. If this expression is false, the control will come over here. Now the relational operators. They are used to show the relationship among the operands and results in terms of true or false. Following relational operators are supported by Java language. Let us assume that variable a holds 10 and variable b holds 20. Then double equal to sign. It will check for equality. Now here 10 is equal to 20. Mind it, this is false. So your answer is false over here. Next one is not equal to. Here 10 is not equal to 20. This one is true. Next one is your greater than. 10 is greater than 20 is false. Next one is your less than. 10 is less than 20 is true. Next one is your greater than or equal to. 10 is more than or equal to 20 is false, and next one is less than or equal to. So here 10 is less than or equal to 20 is true. Now we are having the logical operators. These operators yield true or false depending upon the outcome of different expressions. The following table lists the logical operators. Let us assume that Boolean variable A holds true and variable B holds false. Then logical AND. Here if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. Here you can see A is true but B is false. So the outcome is false. Next one is your logical OR. Here if any of the two operands are true, then the condition becomes true. Here you can see A is true and B is false. So the outcome is true. Next one is logical NOT. It is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. Now here A logical and B is false from here. Then what is not false? That is true. Now the assignment operators. Following are the assignment operators supported by Java language. The first one is the simple assignment operator. Here C equal to A plus B will assign value of A plus B into C. Plus equal to. Here C plus equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C plus A. Minus equal to. Here C minus equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C minus A. Star equal to. Here C star equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C into A, and so on. Now the Java operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order in which the operators in an expression are evaluated. Now take a look at the statement below. Int x equal to 12 minus 4 multiplied by 2. What will be the value of x? Will it be 12 minus 4 multiplied by 2, that is 16, or it will be 12 minus 4 into 2, that is 4. When two operators share a common operand, 4 in this case, the operator with the highest precedence is operated first. In Java, the precedence of star, that is multiplication sign, is higher than that of minus. Hence the multiplication is performed before subtraction and the value of x will be 4. Now the operator precedence table. The table below lists the precedence of operators in Java. Higher it appears in the table, the higher is its precedence. Larger number means higher precedence. So here you can see that. So this one is having your highest precedence. And this one is having your lowest precedence. Thank you.